What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. Say hi to the camera, young man.
Morning.
Yeah, he's practiced. He's about to do his driving test. We're at the DMV in South Florida. As usual, I cannot see what DMV it is, but just by showing a little of the scenery, you can get an idea. We've been practicing. He is ready for his test, so we're gonna just run through the test one more time. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn the steering wheel left away from the curb. Put the car in park, pull the emergency brake, and turn off the ignition.
Cool. Alright, go ahead. Do your turn signal for me. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. So they're gonna do that to make sure that the turn signal lights are working, the brake lights are working, the horn's working. They're also gonna tell you to turn the wheel to the left or right so they can check the tire. So turn all the way left. And then when they're done checking the tire, I want you to straighten the wheel, just to be sure. Alright? Alright, cool. Alright, now they're gonna tell you to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead, reverse. Look behind you and roll straight back. Look both ways. Alright, turn all the way to the right. And look behind as you roll back. Keep going back. Alright, that's good. Put the car in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign up down there and make a left turn. Make sure you come to a complete stop, and whenever they tell you to make a turn, right, you signal left each time. Stop completely. If you don't signal, you're losing 4 points, right? So we want to make sure we signal every single time. Alright, go ahead, go close to your right side and go all the way down to the end. Flying around the corner. Completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, make a left. Alright, go all the way down into the end and make your left turn. So you come around that corner on the right side, you know what I mean? And we're gonna make a right turn as soon as you pass this tree sticking out there. So you signal to the right, you go slightly out, and you make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn. Like that, yeah. As soon as you go around this corner, I want you to straighten up on the right side. Like right here, stop the car. Alright, now they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop, right? So go ahead, speed up 20, straight down and stop. Just like that. Reverse, straight back, and look behind you the whole time. And just let it roll straight back, no gas. Just straight back. They'll tell you when to stop. So we're gonna stop about here, and then we're gonna go back down and make a left at the end down by where that blue car is. Signal, yeah. So he reversed so he can park again. Oh, okay. It's not cool. Okay, so we're waiting for someone to park some other school that is practicing right now. Yeah, sometimes you come back here and there's like 3 or 4 cars practicing at the same time. Mini traffic jam. You see what I was talking about earlier? Like, what is the point of that? Get in the space, get out the space. Especially since someone else is using the same space. Move up so they can see us. Because maybe they are not seeing us. I'm sure they do see us, but still. Stay close to your right side. And stop about here. So we're going to pull up and park in between those poles. Make sure you signal in left. And go up and line up your mirror with the first poles on this side. To the middle, you will straighten up. Don't rush to straighten up though. Do a nice little slope. Go forward just a little bit more. Alright, cool. Alright, reverse, straight out. When your mirror is past the pole, then you're gonna make it turn all the way to the right.
You want me to wait?
You can back out and then pull up there and wait for him to finish. Alright, turn all the way right. Reverse. When your mirror is past the middle, we're going to stop and then go forward. Alright, stop here. Put the car back in drive. Signal left again. Turn. Pull up on the right side. Pull closer to the right. Closer to the right. And we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So you're gonna stop right here, close to the right side as usual. Signal left, turn all the way to the left. And then go forward. You're gonna stop before you hit the curb. All the way right. Look over your left shoulder. And again, when the mirror is past the middle here, that's where you're going to stop. Put the car back in drive, signal left, turn all the way left. Now we're going to go to the stop sign and make a left turn. So you stop completely. Make sure you're signaling. 1, 2, 3. Now the line is around the corner. person passing us. What the hell? They're so stupid. The line's pretty long right now. Signal left. We're making a left and then an immediate left. Alright, so just like that, when you pass that branch, a big old piece of tree, just get back to your right side. Alright, go ahead. Go straight to the right lane and then make a quick left turn.